Here's what I'm using to take my carport apart for the summer here. Trouble is the carport fits the boat too tight there. I can't get the boat out of here if I don't take the carport out. So I got the whole brush Ryobi tool there, the P234G with the Ryobi adapter from 1/4 to 3/8 and a deep 7/16 socket, and it's good enough to take all of those nuts out of there. And you shouldn't really use that to put everything together because the metal is too thin and it's squish stuff. But to take it apart and save you hours, and because there's lots of screws in here all over the place, so that's a must. As you can tell, I've been using this tool quite a lot there. I went to renos for a couple of houses and all this, and yeah, still going good. Never had an issue with this tool. Yeah, even though it's a brush, I keep it around. I have the brushless one, higher torque one at work, but for those little projects at home, this is like perfect. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. So let me know, does any of you still use the brush tools? Or are you guys all updated to brushless? Or maybe even better yet, are you still using the old blue Ryobi tools? Let me know in the comment below.